Good morning, everyone. Today is 7th day of August. As the protests continue, one of my friends who told me that Tinubu is going to change Nigeria has been arrested in Ogun State. He himself wanted to join the protest because he's tired of begging for money. He's tired of begging for food. He has finished NYSC and yet to see job. The little things he's doing is not even enough, to pay for his expenses. Now he wanted to join the protest and they arrested him. So this morning he reached out to me that he was arrested by the police. I said, why were you arrested? He said he wanted to join the protest, that is the first day of joining the protest and they got him arrested. I said, no problem. I said, how are you feeling now? He said he's feeling bad though, that he don't know. If he knows that he will not support him. I said, Tinubu did not win because you supported him. Because that man did not win election at all. Even though you blindly supported him, you people's support was not enough for him to win the election. So he was rigged. But you people aided the rigging because you supported him. Now, I am not happy because he was arrested, but I am happy because those who doubted us just about a year ago are seeing the repercussion. They are receiving the reward. They are seeing the negative effect of what they supported. Now, that is not what I want to say in this video. When you look at my background, you see so many children. Yesterday, Kaduna State, a soldier killed a 16-year-old, boy. Just a 16-year-old. Someone who is not adult. He was protesting. He was shot dead mistakenly. That breaks my heart. And not only that, that tells you the rate of out-of-school children in the north. So many people are not going to school. So many children are dying. So many children don't know where their next meal will come from. So many children don't know what is going to be their tomorrow. So when you see the rate of children participating in this protest, you know that Nigeria is in trouble. Nigeria is in serious trouble. And you know why I will not continue to talk about the issue of bringing sanity and referendum to Nigeria is because I have been considering the situation of Nigeria, even right from 1960 to today. There is no year in Nigeria where the past year was worse than another year. What I mean is that every year is getting worse in Nigeria. In the year 1990 was better than 1996. 1996 was better than 2000. 2000 was better than 2005. Continuing like that. Even the Buhari regime people were crying for is even better than Tinubu regime as I speak to you. There is trouble in this country. And why this trouble is going to consume Nigeria is because the people who are causing it, they are not aware of the trouble. Yes, I would say that this administration, they are not aware of the trouble in Nigeria. They are not aware of what is going on in Nigeria. See, the rate at which people are crossing their mind and not even considering whether they are going to die in the process of what they are doing is alarming, because what they are living is no longer life. Now, the protests in the north, when it comes to this protest that is ongoing, I think the northerners are trying more than us. And this is what I have to say about that, because these people are suffering more than the people in the south. Now, I will tell you this thing for free. Nobody at this point believes in Nigeria again. People from the north to the south to the east to the west, nobody believes in Nigeria again. The citizens are losing faith. They cannot be patriotic any longer. So what is the essence of people who are in government? They think they have government, but they have lost a nation. Nigeria have lost a nation. Ask anybody in the north right now. They will tell you that they don't need Nigeria any longer, that they want their own country. Because they believe that there is a great danger among the political elites. Very dangerous idea of manipulating and impoverish the people. Now, these northerners are not talking about the southerners are president or the east are president. They are even going after their own politicians because they know that even their politicians are accomplices to the way of life, to what they are going through now. They know that their politicians are causing pain to them. They are going after their politicians, burning their houses one after the other, and I don't blame them. I don't blame them. So what they are doing now is that they lost faith in Nigeria. For them to be burning their national flag, that sends a message. The only place I see people burning national flag, maybe in Palestine burning Israel flag, in Iran burning American flags, because of what those nations have done against their nation. But as a Nigerian, burning Nigerian flag is a sign that these people have left. I saw 2 police stations yesterday where they put Russian flag in the police station. It's a sign that these people have left already. Come to the south, in the middle belt like Benue, Plateau State, they don't believe in Nigeria any longer. They don't, because they don't have the taste of the government. They are dying every day, and no one is even talking about their predicament, their situation, and so on and so forth. That is a fact. Now, come to think about the Southeast. That one is obvious. Right from time, Southeast have wanted to leave Nigeria because the political leadership in Nigeria is like a secret cult. Either you are from Southeast or the North or the West, once you get to that particular position, it's like you swear an oath and things will continue to go bad. So I'm trying to use this opportunity to tell everyone, it is time for us to tell ourselves the truth. We are lying to ourselves. If anybody tells you that this country is going to get better if this protest is not, this protest, for me, supposed to be the last resort or the last hope of trying to bring, the change we want through a peaceful way, maybe by referendum or by bringing political sanity into the system and so on and so forth. And this protest is going to continue. This protest will be regrouped after 10 days and it will still continue. But however, the way that the government is clamping down people who are protesting is alarming. The way government is fighting against people who are protesting, if they have used it to fight against the bandits, the Boko Harams, the terrorists in the country from the north to the south, east to west, we will not have insecurity and inflation and hunger till today. It is because of the way the security agencies are running away from terrorists but flexing their muscles where civilians are, armless civilians. As I speak to you, as this protest is going on, so many things are going on, insecurity from all parts of Nigeria. They left where the insecurity is happening and they focus on the protesters. To tell you the priorities of this government, their priority is not to save you. Their priority is not to help you. Their priority is not to make you to live a better life. Their priority is just to make sure they have power against you. You don't have power to protest. You don't have power to even complain at all. Don't complain to us. Don't do anything. Just remain a slave as you are. That is their mission. That is what they want against us. They don't want people who will come out and challenge them. They don't want people who will challenge the status quo, because as far as they are concerned, this their Ogboni, I will call it Ogboni, or secret society that they call politics in Nigeria is not enough. They want to remain there forever. It's their religion. This secret society is their religion. This is their secret society, they call politics. It is their culture. Once they come together, they can decide to kill people. They can decide to do anything and nothing will happen. They can decide not to fight the insecurity. Nothing is going to happen. But you know what? We are going to continue in this protest. We'll do our very best. At the end, let's see what is going to happen. But I believe that more provocation from the citizens are coming. We are going to remobilize. I hear security agencies speaking in tongues. They don't still know what the citizens are going through. They don't still know what is happening. But as far as I am concerned, this protest is going to continue. And if at the end, these people succeeded in clamping down and killing the protesters, let me tell you, this country, no citizen will believe and will agree to stay in this country any longer. And you know what that means? That is going to turn everything upside down. For the security agencies to continue to kill people who are protesting, it means they want them to be armed. It means they are pushing them to do all sorts of things that they never wanted to do. It is time